Hey guys, how you doing today? It's me, Kelly. This is going to be a quick dupe, quick tip, a lot of fun. So, as you can see here, without my light in the way, this is the Sculpey Bacon Bend, and you get 10 pieces. You can get these at Michael's online. I'll put an Amazon link down below if you want to support me a little bit and buy it there on Prime or whatever. If not, just use a coupon, go to Michael's, AC Moore, Joann's, Hobby Lobby, and it's called Bacon Bend. And you get 10 pieces and not sponsored. And you get a little rolly in it, you get a little cutter in it, and you get 10 different colors. So, what is so fantastic about this clay? Besides the fact that you can make like this, that tells you how to make a giraffe, tells you little things to do, and he's bendable almost, right? So what we're going to do today is let's take, so I can show you. I want to make sure we can see. So many choices. Let's do red. I'm going to take red. Here's one that I had done prior. I have a video on it, but no big deal. We're going to do another one. And I'm just taking, it's soft, so it's not that big of a deal. And you can see, in IVRA and Fibro, you can see that you can really mush it. If you need a little bit more help, sit on it when it's in the plastic, or pasta machine, whatever way you do it. But I didn't do anything. You saw I just took it out of the package, and I'm rolling and a rolling and a rolling. Okay, so all you do is roll it out. Maybe I should have used that roller, but I'm not. Okay, and you can see it rolls out very simple. I'm just on my non-stick. You can use wax paper, whatever you want. I'm going to use this. If you want to spray a little bit of water, you can. It helps it not stick. People are going to say, no, don't do that. Some people use cornstarch. It's whatever you want. But I'm just going to stick it in. That's what she said. And I'm going to push it. I can't even sing anymore because I get in trouble. Okay. I get copywritten. Because Salt and Pepper, they worried about me. And you do that. You can bake it, if you want now with it in it. This is metal. But if not, carefully take it out like that. Like I said, you could put water in it. I kind of pushed a little bit too hard on that because, I'm going to go push up. But look at that, okay? And what happens is you pick it up, you bake it. I like to bake it on parchment paper, aluminum foil, and good to go. And then it comes out like this. This is just a little Sculpey. But what happens is, this is just some souffle. I'm in love with souffle from Sculpey. It has changed my hand, like, the pressure and pain in my hands and all that. But I'm going to just roll it out like that. About as, you want the length practically. And let me show you. Can I show you? Do I have my water sitting by? No. I don't know. Oh, here it is. All the way over there. I just squirt like that. Like I said, people will say, no, no, no. It helps me. And then I push it in. Now, this was obviously a big piece of clay, but it just pops right out. And look, you got a mold. Say what? You got a mold. Say what? Yep. And there you go. And you can see the detail. Can you, though? I don't know. We got the wind's blowing crazy. The sun's going crazy. The lights are going crazy in here. But you can see. Boom. And this, look how flexible. So you go and you spend, let's just say, for argument's sake, this is $10. I don't know. Use a coupon, 40%. They're having less, 50% off this week. And you get it for $5 and you can use, 10 of these pieces. And you see, this is quite big. I could have really cut around it and gone on to something else. And you get a nice big chunk. So definitely something great to do. It's like a Friday kind of thing. Yahoo! It's Friday. Holiday, 3-day weekend means nothing to me. But, no, I'm kidding. I'm excited. Going to my sister's on Sunday. So, I just meant because my husband works from home. And when you work from home, you really don't get a day off. But yeah, let me know if you've ever tried this. Let me know if you want any other projects with this. It is so exciting, so much fun, saves you so much money. I love Amazing Mold Putty. I was on their designer team a few years ago for like a year. I loved it, but it gets expensive and you don't get that much. So doing this, you really can make ordinary items into, you know, great molds. Like these are my favorite things I found. I don't know what they are. I have about 10 of them. I got them at a flea market. And so I've been making molds with these. So I can now go ahead and use clay or, you know, whatever I want to make really cool molds for like on canvases or signs or whatever I'm doing. I'm going to get this clay in there a little bit less so you can kind of see like that. Because I don't want it, it's going to still be thick because that's not very deep. But let me show you again. You can see the water makes it not stick. Boom. And I only got half the head because I didn't line up right. But guess what? You just go like this and you do it again. So, as always, please be kind to each other. You never know about somebody else is fighting. I love you guys so very much. And I hope you have a very safe and fun and relaxing weekend. And for those of you who may be stuck at home for whatever reason, I'm sending you my love. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.